Okay, I'm back at Lowe's looking for that toolbox. I'm still searching a toolbox that's equivalent to the Milwaukee. So anyway, here's the 12-inch tote. For $29.98. It may do the job, but it's a little bit smaller than what I like. And there's a 15-inch Kobalt tool tote. Let's see how that is. This is pretty good. It's got 3 large pockets, 2 on this side, a lot bigger, and then small ones, and also pouches in here, and that's for your tape measure. And then I got the elastic band here to hold onto like a pliers or channel locks upside down. This one is a $34.98. There's something smaller than the 15-inch. What's this? Kobalt 12-inch tool bag. Is this the same thing? No, that's a different, I'm sure. Item number 915. So it's something else in there, probably. Yep. This one's pretty good too. Kind of narrow. This is similar to what I have. That's kind of narrow, but this one definitely has a lot more pockets. Do not know what the price is. But check this one out. ToughBuilt 16-inch open tote for $49.98. So let's take a look at this one a little bit. Put it down here. So this is probably the closest one I can compare to Milwaukee brand, which is $99, and this one is at the half the price. It's pretty tall, definitely tall, like the Milwaukee. And instead of having a bunch of pockets on the sides, this one has it in the middle. So I think this probably might be a good design. You can put tools and probably come up to here. It's got lots of pockets, not like the Milwaukee where it has the very tiny ones for the screwdrivers. This one has a lot bigger pouches. I guess I can always put 2 or 3 together, and has a nice sturdy plastic, and has a loop for a shoulder harness if you want it. It's not included, and it does have pockets over here to put other tools in there. There's a little clip here, I'm not sure what that's for. And then this is the one that you can get access. Oh, here's the one for the tape measure, and it comes with a clip on a pouch. It has a metal slider, kind of like bracket like, that starts from here or to the right. So I believe you can buy a additional clip on a pouch and then use this area to carry your stuffs in there. And let's look at the other side. I'm not sure what this holes are for, but there's one more latch point for the shoulder harness, and then have some more small pouches here. It's called, it probably weighs about 5 pounds, 7 pounds or so. Let's take a look at the bottom. Plastic hard case, and then fabric sides that's riveted on. There's a detailed explanation on what's going on with the clip pouches. So this, you can buy this clip-on belt or bag, and then you can do it like that or put it in the back of your car. So I guess 3 pieces are $5.98. And here's the other pouches they're talking about. This is Clip Tech. This is for electrician. Or your multimeters maybe. And then wire clips and the room here. And then here's the bigger one. It says hammer loop. Hammer? No, this is a ToughBuilt builder pouch. So these are all in different places, so I don't trust that's the matching price because they look pretty big. TB ToughBuilt builder pouch is $23.98. So that's what that is. It's just happened to be in the wrong spot. Yes. Yeah, that's the hammer loop. Is a little smaller, but for $13.98, that's a pretty good price. Wow, it's very well built. They're thick. There's a tape and a knife pouch. There's another type, and there's one for knife only. Let's see what it looks like. And there is the Pro shoulder strap right there, $5.98.
Here's what you need there.
And there's a shoulder strap that comes with it, or for $5.98. Nice, thick, padded, a lot thicker than the Milwaukee. And here is the work belt. They can clip on all the systems together. Wow, so ToughBuilt, something to definitely be considering about. Right, here's a ToughBuilt XL rolling massive mouth. I probably don't need this one, but just wanted to kind of take a look at it closely for $129. Built kind of similar to the ones I was looking at earlier, the 16-inch open tote. Look at the size of that wheel. Looks pretty tough. Let me bring it down and take a look at it closely. Okay, this one weighs quite a bit. Wow, it's about 15 pounds or so. It's got a strap here to strap things. And the inside. And the zippered compartment on the top. And then you can close it. And there's a heavy duty zipper on the side. And if you want to carry it like this, you can. Also has a little clips here to carry things separately, and a tape measure, and then other pocket here. And then lastly, lift it up, kind of like a luggage. Heavier duty than the most luggage. This very nice. While I'm at it, I'm gonna have to take a look at the this one here, see what the inside is like. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Massive mouth. So it's the similar system as the other ones. Has a little loop here, and the lots of little pockets here outside. Let's go ahead and open it up. See? Okay. Got the side pockets and two big ones on each side, and then it has a zipper. You can kind of close it like that. Kind of like stiffened up lid, and a handle that has a little padded handle on it. But this one does not have carry on the shoulder, no hooks on it, so it's probably good for carrying your power tools in here, is what I'm thinking. So that massive mouth bag is $64.98, it looks like. Lots of choices for anybody who needs to use these for their trades. I'm also looking at the Craftsman pack outs. They call it tray stack. Looks like close color wise, and then the weight stacking closer to the Milwaukee. Just a quick look at it, what's going on here.